Running a marathon is a monumental task. It demands physical strength, mental fortitude, and surprisingly, a keen understanding of your breath. Yes, you read that right, your breath. It's the invisible force that fuels your every stride. Many runners, especially beginners, underestimate the importance of breathing. They focus on pace, endurance, and hydration, often neglecting the most fundamental element of running: oxygen. Proper breathing techniques can be the difference between a successful marathon and a grueling experience. It's about maximizing oxygen intake, enhancing performance, and preventing those dreaded side stitches. So, if you're ready to unlock your full potential and conquer the 26.2 miles, let's dive into the world of breathwork for marathon running. We've all been there. That sharp stabbing pain just below the ribcage that makes you want to stop dead in your tracks. That, my friends, is the dreaded side stitch, a runner's worst nightmare. Side stitches are incredibly common, especially among new runners. They can range from a mild annoyance to a debilitating pain, seriously hindering your performance. But fear not. Understanding the cause of side stitches is the first step in preventing them. It all comes down to, you guessed it, breathing. By learning proper breathing techniques, you can bid farewell to those pesky side stitches and enjoy a more comfortable and successful run. The exact cause of side stitches is still debated among scientists, but a leading theory points to the diaphragm, the muscle responsible for breathing. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle that sits just below your lungs and plays a crucial role in the respiratory process. When you inhale, it contracts and flattens out, creating a vacuum that pulls air into your lungs. When you exhale, it relaxes and moves back to its dome shape, pushing air out. When we run, our organs bounce around a bit. It's true. This bouncing is more pronounced during high-impact activities like running or jumping. The repetitive up and down motion can cause the organs, such as the liver and stomach, to tug on the diaphragm, especially if you're not breathing deeply and rhythmically. This bouncing, combined with shallow, rapid breathing, can cause the diaphragm to spasm, resulting in that familiar stabbing pain. Shallow breathing doesn't allow the diaphragm to move through its full range of motion, which can lead to muscle fatigue and spasms. This is why you often feel a sharp, localized pain on one side of your abdomen, typically just below the ribs. Basically, your diaphragm is saying, hey, I need more oxygen down here. Deep, controlled breaths can help ensure that your diaphragm gets the oxygen it needs and can move properly, reducing the likelihood of spasms. Another theory suggests that side stitches are caused by the ligaments that connect our organs to our abdominal wall. These ligaments help keep our organs in place, but they can be strained during physical activity. As we run, these ligaments stretch and pull, potentially leading to pain. The strain on these ligaments can be exacerbated by poor posture or weak core muscles, which fail to provide adequate support to the abdominal area. Whatever the cause, one thing is clear. Proper breathing can make a world of difference in preventing side stitches and keeping your diaphragm happy. Incorporating breathing exercises into your training routine can help strengthen your diaphragm and improve your overall breathing efficiency. Additionally, maintaining good posture and strengthening your core muscles can provide better support for your organs, reducing the strain on your ligaments. So next time you hit the pavement, remember to breathe deeply and keep your core engaged to enjoy a pain-free run. One of the most important aspects of breathing for running is finding your rhythm. This means syncing your breath with your stride to optimize oxygen intake and minimize stress on your body. A common technique is to inhale for 2 steps and exhale for 2 steps. This creates a steady, rhythmic pattern that helps regulate your breathing and prevent shallow breaths. However, the best breathing rhythm varies from person to person. Experiment with different patterns to find what feels most comfortable and natural for you. Remember, the goal is to breathe deeply and consistently, providing your muscles with the oxygen they need to power through those miles. Section 5. Breathe in, breathe out. It seems simple, right? Breathe in, breathe out. But there's more to it than just the act of breathing. It's about how you breathe, especially when you're running. Proper breathing can make a significant difference in your performance and overall experience. But there's a right way and a wrong way to breathe while running. Many runners don't realize that their breathing technique can either enhance their stamina or lead to early fatigue. Many runners make the mistake of taking shallow breaths from their chest, which can lead to fatigue and side stitches. Shallow breathing limits the amount of oxygen that reaches your muscles, causing them to tire more quickly. The key is to breathe deeply from your diaphragm, also known as belly breathing. This technique allows for a more efficient oxygen exchange, helping you maintain your energy levels for longer periods. This involves expanding your belly as you inhale, filling your lungs with more oxygen. When you breathe deeply, your diaphragm moves downward, creating more space in your chest cavity and allowing your lungs to expand fully. To practice diaphragmatic breathing, lie on your back with your knees bent and your hands on your stomach. This position helps you focus on the movement of your diaphragm and ensures that you are breathing correctly. Inhale slowly and deeply, feeling your stomach rise. As you breathe in, imagine your lungs filling up from the bottom to the top, like a balloon inflating. Exhale slowly, feeling your stomach fall. As you breathe out, let the air escape naturally, without forcing it. This helps to maintain a steady and relaxed breathing rhythm. This type of breathing engages your diaphragm, allowing for greater oxygen intake and reducing strain on your upper body. By practicing diaphragmatic breathing regularly, you can improve your running efficiency and reduce the risk of fatigue and side stitches. Remember, the way you breathe can have a profound impact on your running performance. So, take the time to learn and practice proper breathing techniques. Breathe in, breathe out, and let your breath guide you to a better run. Section 6. Practice makes perfect. Like any skill, mastering proper breathing techniques for running takes practice. You wouldn't show up to a marathon without training your legs, so why neglect your lungs? Incorporate breathing exercises into your daily routine. You can practice diaphragmatic breathing while sitting at your desk, watching TV, or even lying in bed. Another great exercise is to practice your breathing rhythm while walking. Inhale for 2 steps, exhale for 2 steps, and gradually increase your pace as you get comfortable. The more you practice, the more natural and automatic proper breathing will become, setting you up for success on race day. Section 7. Race day breathing. Race day is here. All your hard work and training have led to this moment. As you toe the starting line, remember the importance of your breath. It's normal to feel a surge of adrenaline, which can cause your breathing to speed up. Take a few deep breaths, focusing on expanding your belly with each inhale. As you start running, maintain your rhythmic breathing pattern, syncing your breath with your stride. Don't be afraid to adjust your pace if you find yourself getting out of breath. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself, listen to your body, and breathe your way to the finish line. Section 8. Listen to your body. In the world of running, one of the most crucial skills you can develop is the ability to listen to your body. This means being in tune with the signals your body sends you during a run. While it's important to focus on your breathing, paying attention to your body's overall condition is equally vital. Breathing is just one aspect of the complex system that keeps you moving. It's equally important to listen to your body. Everyone is different, and each runner has unique needs and limitations. What works for one runner may not work for another, and that's perfectly okay. Understanding your own body's signals can help you tailor your training and running strategy to suit your personal needs. This might mean adjusting your pace, changing your running form, or even altering your training schedule. If you feel a side stitch coming on, don't panic. Slow down your pace, take deep breaths, and gently press on the area where you feel the pain. This can help alleviate the discomfort and allow you to continue your run. Side stitches are common, especially for beginners, and learning how to manage them is part of becoming a more experienced runner. If you're struggling to maintain your breathing rhythm, it's okay to take a break and walk for a bit. Walking can help you catch your breath and refocus your energy. It's important to remember that taking a break doesn't mean you're failing. It's a strategic move to ensure you can continue running effectively. Catch your breath, refocus, and start running again when you're ready. This approach can help you maintain a steady pace and avoid burnout. Starting to run again after a break can feel refreshing and can give you a new burst of energy. Listen to your body and resume at a pace that feels comfortable. Remember, your body is your best guide. It will tell you when you need to slow down, when you can push harder, and when you need to stop. Pay attention to how you feel, adjust your breathing accordingly, and make any necessary changes to your pace or form. This mindfulness can prevent injuries and improve your overall running experience. Don't be afraid to take breaks when needed. Regular breaks can help you manage your energy levels and keep you running longer and stronger. After your run, take time to cool down and stretch. This helps your muscles recover and prepares your body for your next run. Hydration is also key. Make sure to drink plenty of water before during, and after your run to keep your body functioning optimally. Listening to your body not only makes you a better runner, but also makes running more enjoyable. Celebrate your progress and take pride in the fact that you're taking care of yourself. Keep track of your runs and how you feel during them. This can help you identify patterns and make informed decisions about your training. Use this information to set realistic goals and plan your future runs. By listening to your body, you can continue to improve and enjoy the journey of running. Section 9. Run free. Congratulations. You've learned the power of your breath and how it can transform your running experience. By mastering proper breathing techniques, you've unlocked a new level of endurance, performance, and enjoyment. So, go forth and run free. Embrace the challenge of the marathon, knowing that you have the tools you need to succeed. Breathe deeply, find your rhythm, and let your breath carry you across that finish line. And remember, it's not just about the destination but the journey. Soak in the experience, enjoy the scenery, and celebrate every mile you conquer. You've got this.